Genealogist and family historian Dr. Antoinette Harrell understands the importance of passing on family history. It was passed down to her by her mother. She has spent countless hours teaching her 4 grandchildren about family history. In search of their ancestors' history, they have traveled to several states, parishes, and counties. Researching records and understanding their importance were among the things she taught them. As part of their lesson plan, they visited local genealogy libraries, clerk of court offices, and conducted interviews. The grandchildren were initially curious, but soon became deeply fascinated by the stories and records they uncovered. They felt a profound connection to their ancestors and were eager to learn more about their roots, often looking at records dating back to the 1800s, stopping to tour local museums along the way. These museum tours provided a tangible context for the historical records they studied. Artifacts and exhibits brought to life the eras their ancestors lived through, making the past more vivid and relatable. A walk through history allowed her grandchildren to understand their ancestors' hardships and triumphs. Visiting historical sites offers an immersive learning experience that textbooks alone can't provide. It allows the children to see firsthand where significant events took place, deepening their understanding and appreciation of history. These visits also help them connect emotionally with the past, making their genealogical discoveries even more meaningful. The study of genealogy enhances the children's understanding of history. Through genealogy, young people develop critical thinking and research skills as they analyze records and piece together their family history. They gain a sense of identity and belonging, understanding where they come from and how their ancestors' experiences shaped their own lives. Their grandmother ensured that they sampled local cuisine local to the area. Tasting different foods was one of their favorite things about the trip. They took genealogy road trips that were very educational. They also found old family documents and photos that shed light on their great-great-grandparents' lives. They visited historical sites that helped them understand the challenges and triumphs their family faced. It was fun for them to look at photographs of people who lived more than 100 years before them. They explored the land their paternal 5th great-grandmother, Emma Mead Harrell, purchased in 1896. The land was a testament to Emma's resilience and entrepreneurial spirit during a time when women-owned property was rare. It served as a historical landmark for the family, symbolizing their ancestors' perseverance and legacy. Their grandmother passed on many stories about their 5th great-grandmother's achievements. One way to make genealogy engaging for children is by incorporating storytelling and interactive activities, such as creating family trees or timelines. Using multimedia resources like photos and videos can also bring their ancestors' stories to life. Organizing family history projects or field trips to historical sites can make learning more dynamic and memorable.